Here at Locavore Farms, we're building a community. We seek to create an environment where children and their families can come to learn, play, and accomplish good works together. During this last kids camp, children came together to learn gardening, cooking, construction, art, and here in the nature survival rotation, they built primitive structures. They learned how to tie different knots, secure and build their shelter, identify edible and inedible wild plants, process and fillet catfish, start a fire using a magnesium rod, and cook survival foods such as damper bread. I love seeing children planning their shelters, working together to lift those heavy logs and decorate them in their own unique way. By the end of the week, they had built something very special, and they were so excited when it was their turn to see if their shelter would survive the rainstorm, aka me spraying their shelter with a hose while they stayed inside. At the end of this amazing camp, children sat at tables with their families and new friends that they made, and we celebrated the good works that they accomplished together with a feast. We ate some of the delicious foods that they prepared together, such as homemade mulberry jam on a yummy drop biscuit. I miss seeing them around the newly constructed Gaga ball pit. We had a lot of fun and we learned a ton. Locavore Camp has upcoming workshops and activities for friends and family to enjoy together. So stay tuned and follow us at locavorefarm.com